In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Adobe Acrobat document PDF. Editing PDFs can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the software, but don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily make changes to your document. First, let's start from your home page in Adobe Acrobat. If you have a document you've worked on before, you can easily access it by navigating to your previous files. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new document right there. This is a convenient starting point to ensure you aren't rummaging for your file later. Once you've got your file, head over to the Recent section of your documents. Click on this section to bring up a list of the documents you've recently accessed, simplifying your search and saving you a bit of time and effort. Now, to start editing, you'll want to click on the Tools option or directly on Edit, if that's visible on the top menu. This option lays out a variety of choices you have for tweaking your PDF. It's like your control center for adjustments and changes. When you click on Edit, you'll notice a range of options to modify text and images within your document, opening the door to numerous customization opportunities. If your aim is to adjust the text within the PDF, click on Text. This will allow you to change the content by selecting the font you like best, or adjusting the size of the text to better suit your document style and readability. Remember, the right font can make a big difference in how your document is perceived. So take a moment to choose one that aligns with your message and audience. Adding imagery can enhance the visual appeal of your document, and Adobe Acrobat makes this straightforward. Click on Image, and you'll be able to add or replace images in your document. Simply clicking this option lets you browse your computer to find the perfect image you want to insert. Images can break up large chunks of text and help convey information in a more engaging way. Additionally, should you need to bring in more content from another file, Adobe Acrobat allows you to do this seamlessly. Navigate to the Organize Pages option, where you can insert additional files into your current PDF. It's a handy way to combine documents or append new information without having to create a completely new file. Don't hesitate to explore this area. You'll find lots of options tailored to making your document more robust and aligned with your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps and exploring each option, you'll be able to edit your PDF documents with confidence and precision. The more you explore, the more you'll uncover the depth of tools available to you, so don't shy away from experimenting to see what works best for your specific project. Happy editing!